Hi everyone, it's Carling at the Park Group, and I am so excited to be here with Lia of ICI Homes, and we are in West End at Town Center in the heart of Nocatee. And Lia, would you please tell us what we're going to be looking at today?
Sure. So we are going to be looking at the Dleon. This home is a little bit over 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom, a full 2-car garage, and it's a beautiful floor plan. It is very cozy, very homey. So let's look at it.
Awesome. Thank you for having us.
Oh, thank you for coming. So as you walk in, you have a very spacious, cozy living space, which flows right into our dining room and also right into our very, very cute kitchen.
I love that y'all staged it to kind of give the people a feel for how you could lay it out for yourself.
Yeah, sometimes it's a little hard to picture it without having the furniture in, but you know, once it's staged, it's easier for us to show you what it would or could look like. Like I said, you know, it's a little bit over 1,600 square feet. Very, very, you know, cozy and comfortable for, you know, someone that's ready to move in or wanting to get into Nocatee. This is a very affordable way of getting in.
Absolutely.
And then, you know, and it has everything that you could possibly need for a quick move in.
Tons of storage in this kitchen. I love the double stack cabinets.
Double stack cabinets. It has, you know, very pretty appliances. And then over here, we have the pantry on this side. And then in here, we have the half bath. And then, like I said, we have a full-size 2-car garage.
Very large for a townhome.
Yes, it is, you know, and it's comfortable, you know, whether it's used for your cars or if you need some extra storage. They did the floors, they added epoxy flooring.
Love that.
So it makes it look very, you know, delicate and, you know, very clean per se. You know.
Very bright.
Yes, yes,
airy.
it adds to the brightness of it.
Reminder, these townhomes, you can enjoy maintenance-free living here.
Yes, maintenance-free. We're in the heart of Nocatee per se, so we are very close to everything. We're close to the YMCA, we're close to Publix, and the best thing, we're close to all the water parks.
Love that.
The golf cart path is right around the corner from here, so you can get, you know, anywhere from here. Here we have a little bit of a, you know, flex space, kind of like a bonus room, sitting area. It's technically multi-use. You can use it for a sitting area, a little desk, or just, you know, a play area for a baby or something like that.
That's perfect. Tons of natural light upstairs.
Yes. So right here we have all the bedrooms. They're upstairs. We have 2 spare bedrooms at the end or the front of the house with a full bath. And then the laundry room is in this area too. So everything is within reach.
That's really nice, and it feels nice and private and quiet and separate from the owner's retreat on the other side.
Yes, it does. So even though it is a townhome and it is on the smaller side, it gives you, you know, the room for you and your family or friends or guests that come visit, because we all want this.
Oh, for sure. Everyone's going to be coming to visit you when you live in Nocatee.
Yeah,
it lives very large.
Yeah, and especially when you don't have to worry about anything else.
Lock and leave lifestyle, maintenance free, no yard, no exterior maintenance.
Your grass won't die. Somebody's going to water it for you. So, you know, we don't have to worry about all those things. And like I said, we're close to everything. So even if you wanted to take your golf cart or bike ride to a restaurant or to Publix or anywhere like that, even, you know, to go buy a dress or something, is right there.
So convenient.
Yes.
Stunning.
So here in the primary bedroom, we have a beautiful tray ceiling, which adds, you know, to the volume of the bedroom. And then a full, you know, master bedroom, walk-in closet. But the best feature of this bedroom is the balcony.
Oh, yes. I love how large the closet is.
Exactly. So even though it's a townhome, it has a very large closet.
Very large closet.
I could live here.
Yes,
and be
I could
happy
see myself
with it.
here too.
Yes. Yes, I could be happy with that closet.
Yes.
You know, and like you said, there's a lot of light in the bedroom, so it's not, you know, it's something that I would like to spend time in.
Yes,
you know?
yes. Tons of natural light.
Yes.
And the balcony that you mentioned.
And the balcony is right off of the master bedroom, so it's right there. Sorry about the noise.
A little bit of noise still going on.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yeah, they're just trying to take care of the townhomes.
Yes.
That's what they're doing.
Yes.
So, but you know, like I said, 1,600 square feet, has everything you need. It's beautiful, affordable, close to everything, and you know, it's the best way to live.
It
No
really
worries.
is. In the heart of Nocatee.
Yes.
Walk, bike, golf cart to shops, dining, healthcare,
Absolutely.
restaurants, like you mentioned earlier.
Everything
you can't
is
beat
here.
it.
No.
So thank you so much.
Yeah.
And can you let the viewers know how they can get in touch with you?
Yep. They can either visit us here at West End, because we are still in our models. We have a few homes left, so come visit us, call us, you know, email us. You'll find us here.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys next week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.